y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige and today I'm going to be sharing with you my fall morning cleaning routine. There's really nothing about it that makes it technically fall, but because it's fall, that's what we're going to go with today. So this video is also being sponsored by Audible, so thank you so much Audible for sponsoring today's video. So I'm just going to start off. This is normally what I do first thing in the morning. After I get dressed and everything, I will go straight in to making our bed. I feel like this is just such a good thing to start with because it definitely sets me up for success with the rest of our home. Now that I've got the bed made, I'm just going to go through the bedroom and make sure to remove any clutter, things that I may have brought in from the previous night. I'm so bad for leaving water bottles laying everywhere. That's just me keeping it real. So I just like to go through and make sure that I'm cleaning all of those up, just folding some things up. These are my pajamas and I'm just going to wear them again the next day. So instead of just throwing them somewhere, I'm actually going to fold them and leave them here on this bench at the end of the bed.
Everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would.
It has been a monthly goal of mine to make sure that I am reading a book a month, and Audible is making it really simple and easy for me to be able to do this while I'm still doing my normal everyday activity. So in the morning when I'm doing my cleaning routine, I love to pull up Audible and just let it play. I can even hook it up to my Bluetooth speakers in the house so that I can hear it even better. Right now I've been listening to Heather Lindsay's The Pressure Trap and OMG. You guys are going to love this book if you haven't read it already. It's so inspiring, and Audible just makes my life so much easier. I mean, I really don't have time to sit down and try to read a book, but this way I'm able to still get in all of that goodness from a book. So if you guys are interested in Audible, then you can definitely check out the description box down below. I will have my link. You'll be able to get your first audiobook for free when you try Audible for 30 days. You can just visit audible.com/Paige Danielle, or you can even text Paige Danielle to 500-500. You'll get a credit every month, and you'll also get 2 Audible original credits every month to check out some new books on there as well. So while I'm emptying out the dishwasher, I'm just listening to my Audible download. Like I said, I've been loving the Heather Lindsay book. You definitely need to check that one out. It is so inspiring, and I know you guys are absolutely going to love it. If you're not into those kind of books, there are so many other different kinds. If you want self-help books, if you like the suspicious, like, sort of gory horror books. I mean, they have so many different kinds on there, so there's something for everybody, but it's made my morning routine just go by so much more quickly now that I have that to listen to in the background. Tip that I have to give: while my coffee is brewing, I try to do as much as I can before it's done. So it's like I'm playing the beat the coffee maker game. So my objective every morning is to get the dishwasher totally cleaned out from the night before my coffee is done being brewed. And most of the mornings I end up beating it, and I'm pretty proud of that.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening?
While I am caffeinating, I will typically go straight into the laundry room and put away any laundry from the night before. All the laundry that I had today were just some blankets. I like to do just a big blanket load, so I'm just grabbing those blankets out of the hamper and going to take them to the right places throughout the house.
This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all my dear friend. You know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
Most of my cleaning happens before I go to bed at night, but a lot of times I'm up late in my office getting work done, and the last thing I want to do before I go to bed is trying to clean this office up. So sadly, this room needs a total makeover in the mornings. It is so bad. As you see, there's always product everywhere. I'm always getting shipments in from companies, so I'm trying to better organize those. I have receipts everywhere. I'm trying to get all of that situated. So normally in the morning, before I can get any work done, I have to go in and do a big sweep of the whole room. I just have to tidy everything up, make sure that the room is in a better condition, because I can't be a creative thinker unless it looks a lot better than it does in this clip.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, safe house when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, safe house when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. If you let go. If you let go. If you let go. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, safe house when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, safe house when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. If you let go.
By this point, I am done with breakfast, and I'm going to go in and clean the kitchen up. I'm just going to wipe the counter off from where I made the breakfast, because I do wipe the counters off every night before I go to bed, but I like to wipe them off right after I made breakfast. So in the area that I use to make my breakfast, and all the dishes that I messed up, I'm just going to load those back into the dishwasher. It is such a blessing to have vacuum cleaners that work for you in the middle of the night. Thankfully, both of our robot vacuum cleaners, they are on timer, so we have an app for both of them. I will have them linked down below if you're interested in them. Our house is sort of like on two different levels, so one of them goes on one side of the house and the other one does the other side of the house. So in the mornings, after they have ran their cycle overnight, I will go ahead and clean them out. Now, there's quite a bit of dust and hair and dirt in the bins. You'll see that for sure, but that wasn't from just one night. I kind of had forgot, being totally honest, but my goal the morning after that they ran, because I do it every other night, I try to clean them out and don't forget about it, because you can really ruin these things if you're not cleaning them out properly. So make sure you are cleaning out your robot vacuum cleaners. Don't be like me.
Once again, your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once once again you tell the same old story. Yeah. Telling me should stop with all the doubt. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough. Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough. But that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know well, that I lost somewhere along the line. You let me fall from grace into a black cell. But now I'm breaking free. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings get as strong. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough. Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough. But that's your karma, time for you to suck it on up.
And believe it or not, that is it. That is my entire morning cleaning routine, because I try to spend a little bit more time in the evenings. I'm definitely a night owl. I like to go to sleep with a clean house, so it's not that difficult to keep it up during the day because I've already done most of it at night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to check out Audible. Go to audible.com/Page Danielle so you can get your first free book with them. And if you want, I definitely think you should first download that Heather Lindsay book that I'm reading. I will have it down below so you know exactly which one I'm talking about. But I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.
And it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how